Goodbye 2022 and welcome in 2023 with tattoo courses, more vlogs, some giveaways. What is poppin', people? And welcome back to a tattoo channel update. Yes, tattoo courses, you heard that right. A few weeks ago, I put up a poll on my YouTube on the community section asking who would actually want a legit tattoo course. And the majority of you guys said yes. So who would I be if I did not bring that forward? So this is the official announcement that my tattoo course is in production. Now this tattoo course will be the A to Z of tattooing with none of the filler. A straight to the point learning experience. A lot of tattoo courses like to do this, learn this, and then do this, and this. But this, and this are all the same. But they pack out the course to make it look like you've got more for your money. I am not going to do this. It will also be the cheapest course available. And it will be the best, obviously, because, you know, I'm awesome. And yeah, the course is going to be accessible through my website. This again is in development. But not only that, I am also offering more with the course than just the course. Now I can't really disclose anything at the moment on these extra things that you're going to get through my website and course by purchasing the course, but please know that it will be more than worth the money that you are going to pay, which is going to be insanely cheap. Now onto vlogs. I feel like vlogs give a personal touch to a YouTube channel. Now I started out this channel to educate, but that's all this channel has really been. Yes, there's been the odd vlog, but generally it's been based around education and a little bit of entertainment like chucked in there. Vlogs offer a personal touch, and I feel like that's what this channel is missing. So in 2023, I am going to get over my fear of vlogging in public and talking to a camera in public, and I'm going to be bringing more vlog style content. However, who would we be if we didn't still keep the vlogs authentic to what the channel is? So the vlogs sometimes will be just personal vlogs, but I am going to still try and put in some educational aspects into these, also to make it worth your while still learning. Now uploads. So uploads for the past couple of months have been every Sunday pretty consistently. Some Sundays I have missed, but for the most part they've been pretty consistent. And during 2023, that is what we are going to continue to do. Some Sundays I may miss, you know, YouTube's not my full-time job, obviously. I'm tattooing. Sometimes I don't have time to put out a video, and sometimes I put out a video that maybe is just not half-assed because you still get the value from it, but I feel like I have to get out this video, otherwise, you know, YouTube don't like that. So for the most part, every Sunday there is still going to be an upload. Times may differ. The uploads, like I said, we've got the vlogs in there. We have more educational stuff coming. We have more tattoo breakdowns, more tattoo time lapses. So we are gonna pack it out with some good stuff for 2023. Lastly, on the channel, we have done some giveaways. The last giveaway was a tattoo machine, and it was won by Tom P. I'd love to know what the P stands for, by the way, Tom. So if you're watching this, let me know. So be on the lookout for more giveaways coming in the future. I think about 1 billion YouTube channels are all doing these videos today and uploading these videos, so I figured, why not? And is there anything else that I need to tell you? Oh yes, there is. Thank you, guys. Thank you right there watching this video. You, yes, you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for watching all my videos. The 5,000 subscriber special also. Yes, the 5,000 sub special is coming when I figure out what to do. I figured like it'd be something like hot. I feel like hot challenges are quite funny. So, the 5,000 subscriber special. Now I know we're on like 6,000 now, and I'm a little late on it. But we have gained an awful lot of subs in a very short period of time. It's a good problem to have. But the 5,000 subscriber special is coming, so watch out for that. But again, thank you guys for all the support in 2022. Here's to 2023. Muchas love, guys. I'll see you on Sunday. Peace out.